Okay, so let's learn how to open a file or folder with terminal. Now I just want to open my hello folder in my desktop folder. So let's navigate to desktop first. Now this is readout of folders. To open, I can write open and folder name. Now we can open this on our file manager like this. Or to open a file, we can also write open file name and format. It will open on default application. This text file is opening on text editor, right? Okay, now I just want to open a file or folder with specialized application. To do it, write open space minus a space. Now we have to give original application name. Go to your app list and you can search for it. In macOS, I am going to choose Photos application. In Linux, you can choose any other application. And I am going to open this icon.jpg file with Photos application. So I am going to write application names is photos and original file name is icon.jpg. Right, let's open with photos application. Okay, alright, now let's also open this odemi.txt file with my Android Studio. To do it, open a Android Studio. Original name is Android space Studio. So Android space backslash with space studio and file name is udemy.txt. Let's open. Okay, now let's open our udemy.txt with notes application. Open minus a and application name is notes. You can choose your application and file name is udemy.txt. Alright. Now let's open any directory with our find application. In Linux OS, you can choose your file manager. Open a finder and folder name. Right.